I'm Mrs. Sizemore, and I'm going to talk to you about some percussion instruments that we have been using at my school with my younger students. So, I'm going to show you first a triangle. Unfortunately, I do not have a triangle at my house. Sorry, but I can play one for you so you hear what it sounds like. Triangle sounds like this.
Triangle.
Super exciting. The next one I have is, this is showing a bass drum. We've been playing with drums. Bass drums are actually really, really big, typically. And I don't own a bass drum, but luckily for me, I'm a music teacher, and my family tends to buy things for my kids. So, this is our version of a bass drum at our house. This is actually a foot pedal. Which leads me to my next instrument, which is a cymbal. Now, in this picture, you're seeing two hit together. We talk about this too in my classes, about the fact that two together is like in a marching band. But not everybody plays cymbals like this, because cymbals don't have to be two together. They can be like this. And if they're on a stand, they're called a suspended cymbal. So, once again, lucky for me, this wonderful little drum of my son's can show you the suspended cymbal. And it just happened to come with some awesome drumsticks, so, right, cymbal. If I play the version on the computer, it's a little bit more exciting, not quite so tinny, but same idea here. Cymbals sound like this.
Cymbals.
Show you the picture. Okay. And then, hang on, I gotta make sure I turn off the music. Oh, wants to show that triangle again. Nope. Then I have tambourine. I feel really bad about the fact that I don't own a tambourine, because I kind of feel like I should. So that might be an investment for something for me to get in the future. But a tambourine. And we've been talking about how to play the tambourine. Tambourine sounds like this.
34.
Oh.
Tambourine.
Okay, so there's your tambourine. And then the other instrument that we worked on was maracas. And I do have that at my house. These are from Mexico, although I didn't buy them in Mexico. But these are maraca. They don't always look like this. Sometimes they look more, like this. But this is a honestly traditional maraca. It sounds like this. And then the last instrument, I don't have a card for. It's the rhythm sticks. And to be honest, rhythm sticks to me kind of are like, the real instrument is actually a claves, and they're a little bit thicker and a little bit bigger, and they have a higher pitch sound. That's usually comes from Latin America. But rhythm sticks are, I don't know what I want to call the Americanized version of that. And they're a little bit longer, a little bit skinnier. So, in my class, every week, we would play a game called Listen and Tell Me. And I don't have cards for you, but I have gone through all the instruments. So I'm going to play it, and if you know the answer, you can say it out loud.
And tell me what you hear.
Gotta be maracas, right?
Listen and tell me what you hear.
Oh. See, and the recording sounds like.
Listen and tell me what you hear.
Cymbals, right?
Listen and tell me what
triangle. Look at that.
Listen and tell me what you hear.
And there's that tambourine.
Listen.
And we're not going to listen to any more because otherwise they're going to start putting them together. So I have an idea for you of something you could do with your family. I listened to music and tried to come up with some examples of the different instruments I just talked to you about. So if I play this song, it's called Walk Like an Egyptian. You can hear the tambourine at the beginning. And if I do, here's a song called In the Summertime. It's written by Mungo, or performed by Mungo. Hear the maracas in this song? Right. Those maracas are pretty clever in there. And this is called It Keeps You Running. It's by a group called the Doobie Brothers. Oh, that's not the right one. Sorry, guys. It Keeps You Running. That's close. That is not the one I meant to play for you. That was supposed to be the one that shows you the symbol, but I must have put down the wrong one, so I will look in just a second. So then the other one I was going to play for you has to do with the drum. So, I guess I'll just play the drum one for you. And we can ignore that my daughter's puppy dog is making noises. Maybe. Here's the oops. This is called Man-Eater. And you can clearly hear a lot of drum, right? And I'm not going to play all these songs all the way through for you because this gives you a chance to look for them. And I honestly could not think of a song right off the top of my head that had a big amount of triangle. So that's your goal. Can you find a song that has a triangle in it? And if you can, great. I think I did tambourine, maracas, drum, rhythm sticks. If you can hear a song where they have a clear with rhythm sticks at the beginning of a song before they play the song as a count-in, that'd be amazing too. So be thinking about where you can find these instruments in songs that you already know. All right, have a good day.